Hi there, and today we're going to learn about how to set the minimum order quantity in Shopify. So here I am in my Shopify dashboard. And for example, let's go to my online store right here. And then let's click view your store. And then for example, I have my cart right here that already has a product. And then we can set a minimum order quantity right here for our customers. So why would we want to have like a minimum order quantity? So there are a lot of reasons. So maybe you just want the customers to order more items, or maybe you have a logistical reason. So for example, if you are going to deliver a single item only, so that will cost a lot, so it will be expensive, so it is too much of a like financial risk to deliver a single item only. So that's why you can also have like a minimum order quantity, so that you have a more logical reason, so that you can have a rule to have a minimum order quantity to your customers. And then to do that, we need to edit the code right here in Shopify. But it is easy, so let's just follow the steps right here. So let's go back to our Shopify dashboard, and then you need to choose the current theme that you are using. So now I have the Dawn theme. So what we're going to do is that we are going to click the three dots right here, then click edit code. Then we will be redirected to the page right here where we can edit our code in Shopify. So from here, we need to go here to main cart items that liquid. So if you can't find this, it is right here in sections, or you can just use the search bar right here and then just type in cart items. Then you should see this option right here, the main cart items that liquid. So click on it, and then from here we need to go here to data cart quantity. So if you can't see this, so if you don't want to scroll throughout this whole code right here, so what you can do is that you can use the find feature. So if you are using Windows, you can just press the control key and then the F key at the same time on your keyboard, and then you will have the find feature right here. So from here, just type in here data cart, then quantity. So we already have the result right here. So right now, our minimum order is set at 0. So for example, you maybe want to set this to 3. And then what we can do is that we can just save. Then this should be applied to our Shopify store. So for example, now I have this black t-shirt right here on my Shopify store. And then when I click checkout, so it should not bring me to the checkout page. So let's go back. So maybe the code hasn't been applied yet. So let's go back to the home page. Let's go to checkout and then click checkout again. So as you can see, we now have this warning right here. So the value must be greater than or equal to 3, since we have inserted right here the number 3 as the minimum order quantity. So if the customer wants to order this item, they need to have at least 3 products for this black t-shirt right here. They can order as much products as they want, but the minimum quantity must be 3. So as you can see, I cannot click the minus button anymore since the minimum quantity is 3. Then I can go ahead and click checkout. Then I will be redirected to the checkout page. And then that's it. That is how we can set a minimum order quantity rule right here in Shopify. I hope you learn how to do it, and thank you for watching.